Alright, so today we're continuing to add to our paper relief sculpture, and remember this is radial symmetry, so it's the same on all sides. I forgot to tell you last week to make sure that you close your glue all the way righty-tighty when you're done so that you see that little white dot, and then set them upright in the drawer. So hopefully you guys did that. So remember, you want to fold about 4 to 6 pieces in one color that you want to use next. So let's say I'm using black, which I know isn't going to show up, so I'm probably not going to use a ton of that. So I only folded 4 of those. And I'm just going to kind of play around with different ways I can use these until I decide the one I like. And then I have another color, so I'm just going to see, what would I want to do next? Kind of like the way that looks. So I'm gonna glue them on that way. Remember, I'm doing just a little bit of glue. We're not trying to make a puddle of glue, just a tiny bit. Lining up the point of this one on that folded line and holding down for a good 10 seconds. So while the black paper is not going to show up, I can still see it. It's better to me to put a piece of paper here than to do what I was going to do next, which was this, I think, and leave that a blank triangle because I think it looks cooler. I think it's okay for you to use a little bit of black like I did. So yeah, I think next I'll glue all these kind of seafoam green ones. So I have to have, I think, 8 of those guys. And these are still all the, that top hat fold. I'm going to make sure I scoot this all the way in, and I want to try to line these points up with each other. Trying to multitask so this video goes faster for you guys. If for some reason they're not lining up perfectly, like right here, I'm not really happy that there's a little gap right here, but if I line it up, then these 2 points are not touching. So try not to stress if that happens, because there's no way all these papers are going to be cut exactly 3 by 3, so some of them are not going to be exactly the same. But in the grand scheme of things, like, no one will really notice. You'll be okay. And these should definitely be going on the drying rack when you're all finished with them. We're still probably not going to be getting done today. I would say you're probably going to add another maybe 6 to 8, maybe 12 pieces, folds. Definitely want you to work diligently but not rushing. So here's where I am so far. Pretty neat. So you guys have fun today. We'll see what I can come up with next time. We'll do this for one more day.